Okay, so once you've got a story that you're telling to an audience, you've now excited them. The O in PCCPO is what we call the offer. It's much more than just an offer. It's all of the infrastructure around giving that persona something useful. So maybe it's a download, or maybe it's a free, maybe it's a coupon, maybe it's a free consultation of some kind, maybe it's meet the people you're donating to. But the offer is the, okay, you've pushed a piece of content to somebody in an email. How are they going to respond? So so PCCPO is a way to say, who's our audience? What are we going to talk to them about? And then how are they going to respond? So the PCCP is about telling a story that excites your personas. But then the O, the offer, is really saying, how are they going to respond? How are we going to get their name, their email address, their credit card, whatever that might be?